Welcome to Canberra, the heart of Australia. Join us as we explore the most iconic landmarks of this remarkable city and its surroundings. Capitol Hill. Our first stop is Capitol Hill, Australia's political epicenter. Dominating the skyline is the stunning Parliament House, an architectural marvel that symbolizes the nation's democracy. Capitol Hill isn't just about politics. It's steeped in history. From commemorative statues to memorials, every corner tells a story of Australia's journey and its leaders who shaped the nation. Surrounding Capitol Hill are some of Canberra's top cultural institutions. Whether you're interested in art, history, or literature, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. Lake Burley Griffin. Next, we journey to Lake Burley Griffin, the heart of Canberra's outdoor life. This man-made masterpiece offers endless opportunities for recreation and relaxation. From kayaking and paddleboarding to cycling and leisurely strolls, Lake Burley Griffin is a hub for outdoor enthusiasts. The picturesque pathways surrounding the lake are perfect for both active adventures and peaceful escapes. Dotting the shores of the lake are several landmarks, including the harmonious National Carillon, the expansive Commonwealth Park, and the esteemed National Gallery of Australia. Each offers its own unique experience in scenic beauty. As the day winds down, Lake Burley Griffin transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of colors and lights. It's the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the beauty of Canberra's evenings. Throughout the year, the lake hosts a variety of events and festivals that bring the community together. Whether it's vibrant floral displays or thrilling boat races, there's always something exciting happening here. Telstra Tower rising majestically above Canberra. The Telstra Tower is a beacon of modern engineering and offers some of the best views in the city. The observation deck provides a 360-degree view of Canberra and its surrounding landscapes. On clear days, you can see as far as the Brindabella Ranges and beyond. Interactive exhibits enhance the visitor experience, making it both educational and awe-inspiring. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, Telstra Tower stands as a testament to innovative architecture. Its sleek lines and modern design make it a striking addition to Canberra's skyline. For those looking to dine with a view, the Tower's Cafe offers delicious meals and refreshments, all while you take in the stunning vistas of the city below. As night falls, Telstra Tower lights up the skyline, creating a captivating sight that's perfect for evening strolls and photo opportunities. Lake George. Leaving the bustling city behind, we venture to Lake George, a captivating natural wonder located just a short drive from Canberra. Known for its ever-changing landscapes, Lake George offers a unique and tranquil escape. Lake George is renowned for its dynamic nature, with water levels fluctuating dramatically throughout the year. Each season brings a new perspective, from vibrant wetlands in spring to serene mirror-like surfaces in summer. The lake and its surrounding areas are a haven for diverse flora and fauna. Birdwatchers will delight in the variety of species that call Lake George home, making it a perfect spot for nature enthusiasts. Whether you're looking to hike, picnic, or simply soak in the natural beauty, Lake George offers numerous opportunities for relaxation and outdoor activities. It's an ideal destination for those seeking peace and tranquility. Goulburn. Our final destination is Goulburn, located just 90 kilometers from Canberra. As Australia's first inland city, Goulburn boasts a rich history, charming streets, and unique attractions. No visit to Goulburn is complete without seeing the Big Merino, one of Australia's famous big things. Standing tall as a tribute to the town's wool industry, it's both an iconic landmark and a fascinating attraction. Goulburn's historic architecture offers a glimpse into its storied past. Stroll through beautifully preserved streetscapes, visit grand old churches, and explore heritage-listed buildings that reflect the city's development over the years. The heart of Goulburn lies in its vibrant community. Enjoy the local flavors at charming cafes, browse through unique boutiques, and experience the warmth and hospitality that make Goulburn so special. Beyond its urban charm, Goulburn is surrounded by stunning natural attractions. From lush parks and serene gardens to nearby reserves, there's plenty of green space to explore and enjoy. Goulburn's dining scene is a delightful mix of traditional and contemporary cuisine. Savor local specialties, enjoy a hearty meal at a historic pub, or indulge in artisanal treats from local bakeries. Take home a piece of Goulburn by exploring its unique shops and boutiques. From handcrafted souvenirs to stylish apparel, you'll find the perfect memento to remember your visit. From the political heart at Capitol Hill to the serene vistas of Lake George and the historic charm of Goulburn, Canberra and its surroundings offer an unforgettable experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more adventures.